Wagwan YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exclusive video for you all. Today we're out here, we're gonna repair a windowsill. We've been called out here today because this sill is deteriorating. I want to show you the sill. It's a brick sill and we're gonna change it out for a lime sill. It's a little bit windy. I'm not sure if you guys are hearing me properly, but I want to walk you through the process step by step of how to do this repair by yourself. If you have this on your house and you can't afford to call out a contractor like myself, I will show you how to do it in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is the sill that we have here. As you see, it started to deteriorating. You could easily look at this. Wow, look at that. See? So it's time for it to go now. It's already done. It's fair share. Today we're going to install something that's going to last way longer. You won't have this problem. I know a lot of you guys who are watching this video are going through the same problem right now. Don't worry. Today Ryan will show you how to change it out and install a limestone sill. Let's dive into it. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to cut right in the joint with my machine. And after I cut in here, we can take out these bricks. And the last brick, I'm going to use my jackhammer to move probably these two here. Once we do all of that, we need to reinstall some brick to fill back the space here. Here we're not going to go too pretty, but normally if you're finishing it, if you're doing it, you want to make sure that it's done properly. But we're going to install stucco here later on. So that's going to be a separate video, so be sure to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, so when we upload a stucco video, you get notified and you can come back and watch when we're doing stucco for the entire sidewall here. All right, so let me put on my respirator. It's important for you to protect your lungs. Don't let these dust and all of these dust from 100-year-old go up in your lungs. So protect it by wearing a respirator. I'm gonna just get out some of the dust out of my hair, and then I'm gonna put on my respirator and yeah, start the installation process. Or start the demolition process. Side where X there, you go cut off. So basically I just measure for my sill. We're gonna have 3 inches or 3.5 inches hang over on either side of the window. Now I'm gonna clean off the top of my windowsill here. Gonna install our flashing. Don't need to go no further than the inside of this brick here, because we need 2 inches overhang. So by the time we reach right over there, we're gonna come just enough. Now I have a blue skin flashing. This is what we're gonna use. Very windy guy. I'm a little bit scared my camera blow off, because I'm just using a little GoPro here today. One of those. I'm gonna activate it here with some spray. What I'm gonna do here, we're gonna just fold it down like you see I'm doing it here. And this thing, try not to get this thing catch onto your hand, man. When it's thick, it's thick. When it's thick, it's thick. Trust me. Okay guys, so this is how it looks when it's properly flashing. So that's the flashing that we have there now. So now we're gonna go ahead and install one course of brick right through, and afterwards we're gonna install our sill. Now we're gonna spread our mortar, install our bricks. Ideally you want to try to go directly over a brick, so you want to go like half and half. So like for instance this brick here, I'm going to try to go half and half with that one. Let's see if I go here. Doesn't really matter for me here because this wall itself, this wall is going to be covered. But if for instance you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're right on plan. All of this is going to be covered. It's a stucco wall, so it doesn't really have to be perfect. Sill more, no? Huh? Yeah, sill. Need to cut this last one that's going to go here. So you want to run your level from the existing brick that's already laid. Come right through, make sure that all of them are in line with each other. Just gonna go ahead and just do a little rough joint here, easier than when I go on there. Now you want to leave a hole. I'm going to show you how to leave a weeping hole right into your bricks. You want to leave 2 holes, 3 bricks apart. So you count like, put 1 hole here. You want to remove the mortar from this joint here. All of the mortar. This need to free just in case any water get away in the back later on. Also you want to remove this one. So always count 1, 2, 3 brick. And then you cut and leave the space open. Make sure that it's free, so water go here, it will release and come through here. Now we're gonna put mortar up here now to install our sill. Pretty straightforward, guys. So just see I put a little bit of mortar right to the outer side, which is over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install my sill. I'm gonna go ahead and install this stuff. Now that I get it in, I want to check for level. Make sure that she's nice and level. Once she's level, you want to check for slope. So you want to go like this with your level. Make sure the water is running off. It's very important. After you do that, next thing you want to check to make sure that the measurement is the same on either side. So if you have over here, you have inch and 7/8. You want to have the same inch and 7/8 over here. Over here I have 2 inches. So over this side I need to pull my sill out to get the same 2 inches, because I'm trying to have more space than less because of the foam that I'm gonna have right on top there. So the more space I have, it's better for me. Next we're gonna fill right above here with mortar. Make sure that it's filled properly. Very important to fill properly. Just like you see I'm doing it here. Also you want to check to make sure that over here you have the same 3.5. You want to have the same 3.5 over this side. I'm also going to check right on top of my window here, check some measurement just to see if we have the same. Oh, perfect. I'm going to go underneath the bottom. I'm going to get my jointer and I'm going to run my jointer right underneath the bottom of the sill here. See how easy it is, guys. If you wonder if you can do this yourself, if you want to ask your boy Ryan, can I do this? You think I can do this myself? I'll be like, of course you can do it. If Ryan can do it, you can do it too, bro. Of course. You have to watch the video a few times. Go back, pause it. You know, if you have any question, go ahead and ask them down in the comment section there. And I'll answer them. I'm doing all of this. Honestly, I'm just doing it for the video, because all of this brick's gonna be covered. Remember I told you, I'm just showing you because this is exactly what you would be doing if you're doing this for the brick to be exposed. Exactly same thing that I'm doing here is the same thing you would be doing. I want to make sure that we do it exactly so at least you can see how I do it professionally. You know what I mean? Oh, that's pretty much it. All I need to do right now is get a nice broom. I got this from the dollar store, and we're just gonna sweep away. Make sure that you clean your window after you finish. I'm just gonna sweep away. Sweep underneath here. So that white spot, you wipe that off or wash it off if you have to. Like I said, we're gonna do stucco here, so that's not important. But yeah, that's it. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always. If you have any question regarding this sill replacement, go ahead and leave them down in the description. And don't go away. Keep watching. Keep learning. Love you guys. Be safe out there.